The Juniper JNCIA-DevOps JN0-223 exam is designed to validate the candidate's knowledge and skills in applying DevOps practices and tools to Juniper Networks devices and solutions. The exam consists of 65 multiple-choice questions and lasts 90 minutes. Passing the exam earns the candidate the Juniper Networks Certified Associate DevOps JNCIA-DevOps certification, which demonstrates the candidate's ability to automate and optimize Juniper Networks network operations and services. 1. Which two statements about Python lists are correct? Choose 2. A. Lists can contain elements of multiple data types. B. Lists contain a countable number of ordered values. C. Lists must contain only elements of the same data type. D. Lists contain a countable number of unordered values. 2. Which two statements about the Junos PI's configuration module are correct? Choose 2. A. The configuration module does not support loading a rescue configuration. B. The configuration module supports loading a rescue configuration. C. PIs does not support performing an exclusive lock on the configuration database. D. The lock method can be used to lock the configuration database. 3. What is the advantage of using the REST API? A. The REST API enables Junos devices to participate in other REST management system environments. B. The REST API is enabled by default on all Junos devices. C. By default, the REST API retrieves data from a Junos device in CSV format. D. By default, the REST API retrieves data from a Junos device in HTML format. 4. Which set of DevOps CAUMS values is correct? A. Culture automation, lean, measurement, and sharing. B. Coordinate, acculturation, lean, mentoring, and society. C. Continuous, assimilation, learn, mourning, and scientific. D. Control, automation, learn, methodology, and support. 5. According to the Manifesto for Agile Software Development, what is the highest priority? A. Continuous attention to technical excellence and good design enhances quality. B. A well-documented statement of work created before the development cycle begins. C. On-time software releases based on a quarterly or semi-annual time frame. D. Customer satisfaction obtained through continuous delivery of valuable software. 6. Which two statements about Ansible are true? Choose 2. A. Ansible uses an agentless architecture. B. By default, Ansible playbooks are executed locally. C. Ansible modules only execute a change if required not. D. By default, Ansible core modules use netconf to connect to the remote host. 7. Which two statements about Ansible are correct? Choose 2. A. All Ansible host and group variables must be defined in the etc. Ansible hosts directory. B. Groups can be nested and a device is allowed to participate in multiple groups. C. Separate host and group variable files can be used for larger environments. D. Groups cannot be nested and a device is allowed to participate only a single group. 8. What is the outcome of the Python =B operator? A. The variables will be added together. B. The variables are compared to determine if they have the same value. C. The variable are compared to determine if they have different data types. D. The variables will be subtracted from each other. 9. Which two statements regarding the DevOps methodology are correct? Choose 2. A. Code changes should be few and manually tested. B. A goal is to make development, test, and production environments as identical as possible. C. Communication between people should be minimized during the process as much as possible. D. Feedback should be analyzed at each stage of the process. 10. What are two values of the Agile model of software development? Choose 2. A. Following a plan. B. Comprehensive documentation. C. Working software. D. Responding to change.